Well, hey, thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. I am Chef John Politte, and today we're going to be showing you how to make Soboro Donburi, or Gingery Ground Beef. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with 1 pound of ground beef, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of some fresh minced ginger, and 1 cup of frozen peas. Let's head over to the stove, start cooking. All right, real easy recipe. We got our ingredients right back there. And we've got to pan out a little bit here. We got our ground beef already in the pan because it's a little bit runny and the package broke. There's a little bit of blood everywhere. So I just put it right in the pan. We will start working from there. I got the shot set. Let's start cooking. All right, got the ground beef. All we want to do is we just want to brown this off and cook it thoroughly. So I'm just going to crumble it up really good. Put our lid on it and let it cook. All right, the beef has cooked all the way through. I'm just going to make sure it's crumbled up really well and cooked all the way through. Not a lot of liquid on here. If you get a lot of fat from the type of ground beef you buy, make sure you drain it off because it will change the profile, flavor profile a little bit of this dish and make it a little greasy too. So I'm going to go ahead and perfume it up with our ginger and our water and our soy sauce. I'm going to stir that all up. Then we're going to add our sugar. And the peas. Stir that up. They're frozen peas, so I'm just going to let these get warm about 2 or 3 minutes. Alright, we got steam, we got heat. I have changed out the spoon so we're not cross-contaminating. This is it. This is so simple and so easy to make, and I'll tell you from right here, it smells very delicious. I was tempted to put garlic in here, but I was true to the recipe, and this does smell really, really good. No need for salt and pepper to get that soy sauce in there. I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to cover it because I'm waiting for our rice to cook. We're going to plate this up, we're going to garnish it, make it look really nice, and then we're going to take pictures of it for social media, throw it in the timeline with some groovy music. We're going to come back, we're going to taste this. This smells so good, I can't wait. Jalapeno, cabbage, red peppers that a friend gave me. I am going to just take the bite without anything in it just so we can get a good baseline for what this dish is all about. So here we go. Wow. So simple. Ground beef, ginger, soy sauce, a little water and sugar. You can add sake or some mirin to it, I guess would be great as well. But oh my God, this is fantastic. Really fantastic. And it's simple. Pull your ground beef in the morning, come home. You got 5 minutes later, you got a meal. You can buy prepackaged rice if you want to. Zap it in the microwave for 90 minutes, 90 seconds, and you have a great meal. Easy to make. Wow, easy to make. Try it again. Well, I'm going to take it with a little cabbage and a jalapeno. Cabbage should give a little texture and crunch. Nope. Red pepper, jalapeno. Alright, I'm not going to turn this into an AMSR, but this is fantastic. I can't tell you how fantastic this is. You've got to try this recipe. So simple. You can, Soboro means ground meat, and the Donburi means over rice. So you've got ground meat over rice. It literally translates to exactly what it is. Now you can add what I did with the egg, the cabbage, the pickled peppers, and the jalapenos like I did. You can serve this over quinoa, you can serve it over millet, you can serve it over whatever you want, any grain you want. And you can also add tons of toppings. You can throw some something crunchy in there like a peanut, sesame seed. You can throw carrots and onions in there. I would have added onions and garlic to it, but maybe it would change something. But this is fantastic. Very, very good. I don't want to ramble on. I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves. We love you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. Say hi. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.